look at the size of that disc bulge. This is a condition that can be treated without surgery quite effectively. Hi, this is Dr. Hobbs, restoring hope and health. I'll see what happens when you put pressure on the spine when there's a weak disc. Sure looks bad, and it can feel miserable. So let me share some details about how this happens and how to avoid it, and how to fix it if it happens to you. Now here's my spine model that is super accurate anatomically. These are two spinal bones. They're called vertebrae. The spinous process sticks out the back. That's what you feel when you touch your back. This is the spinal disc. It's the cushion between the bodies of the vertebra. These discs are amazingly tough, but with time and harmful wear and tear, these discs tear, they bulge, they herniate, or they just dry out. Disc tears and herniations are often super painful. And if it presses on the nerve, so these are the nerves, if it presses on the nerve, it causes pain down to your lower leg, even your foot, and can cause numbness, weakness, and atrophy of leg muscles, or pain, weakness, numbness in your arms as well, if it's a disc herniation in your neck. The disc has two parts, the strong fibrous white part, which is strong, thick ligament, and an inner gel. It's like a donut with a jelly center. Now this vertebra is made see-through, so you can see through the bone into the jelly center. You can also see the white ligament around the rim inside there. So do you see those red lines up here at the top? Those are tears in the walls of the disc. That weakens the disc and allows it to herniate. So let's turn it and see what happens when you stand up and compress that disc. So you can see the tear inside there. And if you compress the disc, it starts to herniate. Let's see. Ooh, I can see it. Eek. So that's real bad. And when it gets on those nerves, whew. Okay, so how do we correct this problem if we have it? We want to put that disc back where it belongs, inside. We can do that with computerized non-surgical spinal decompression for short. I want to get those muscles and joints working well around, above and below the dysfunctional spinal bone with spinal adjustments and muscle work. And want to strengthen the area with segmental work hardening or core exercises once the tissues have healed or scabbed up sufficiently. So those same approaches can be used successfully in preventing it. Not entirely, but it sure helps. The stress of gravity is always working to compress us and create disc bulges and tears. Taking the load off can help with frequent partial inversion at home, or much more effectively with that computerized decompression. And that pulls it apart, works like a suction to pull that disc back where it belongs. Chiropractic adjustments help with that segmental motion and nerve communication. Core strengthening is really important, and proper lifting technique helps too. So we'll talk more about each of those solutions in later videos. For now, you understand that this is a common condition that can be quite painful, and it can be prevented to some degree. And it can also be corrected without surgery, almost always. So if you want more information on joint health, you can text the keyword joints to our phone number, or you can go on our website and learn more there, or give us a call. We'd love to help you out. And we are accepting new patients. Hope you have a great day, and may God bless you.